Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe that this right here is an uptrend. I think this is actually going to keep going up. I think it's going to take out this high and probably make a nice looking uptrend. Now, originally I was thinking this was going to be a crutch into the downtrend, but after looking at correlated pairs, especially the US dollar DXY, I think this is just going to keep on trending up, looking something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see these higher highs, higher lows the whole way up. Definitely a nice looking uptrend right there. This pullback right here did break structure, but almost instantly went up afterwards. I think that's the end of a correction, maybe even the end of a wave 2, wave 1, and I think there's a very good likelihood we're just going to keep on trending up, probably eventually making a wave 3, 4, and wave 5. So let's keep all that in mind and let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you got a nice impulsive down wave A. I think this move up is a wave B. I think this move down is a wave C. Definitely very overlapping and corrective looking. I do think that is the end of a correction. I do think this move up is a trend. Now, just because I think it's going up on the longer time frames does not mean that it's going to not make up some big pullbacks along the way. If you can pretty much look at any trend and see all the pullbacks along the way. So we definitely may get a pullback. We may not too. It could just keep going up like that. But if it does get a pullback, that's actually very good because that's where I look for entries to go long, pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend, especially on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, I left this Fibonacci here that I had from yesterday because in yesterday's video I said if this goes down and it bounces off a fib level, that's going to make for a really good entry to go long. And what happened? It went right down to the 78.6, made a nice impulsive move up. Looks like the end of a correction. It could stop here and it could go down to make a larger correction, but I do definitely see the possibility that it may just keep on trending up, especially if we really are in a wave 3 on the longer time frames. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can definitely see 1, 2, 3 waves down. You see it going right to the 78.6. You see an impulsive move up. You see a break of structure. I definitely see that as the end of a correction, and it was definitely a very nice clear entry to go long. So it is going down right now, but really there's no signs of this being over yet. As of now, I'm still very bullish, and I still think there's a very good likelihood it will just keep on going up. Even if it does go down, I think it's going to end up being a larger correction like I was showing on the 4 hour and daily, and I'll still be looking for longs at the end of those corrections also. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.